Hey folks, Brian Martin, the boss man here at 4 State Trucks coming at you. Today I'm with Pena, our Joplin store counter manager, and today we're going to talk about pedals. Now there's a lot of different choices out there if you're looking for pedals for your truck, but what better choice than RealWheels? Made in USA, big on quality, big on style, and they're also pretty darn cost effective. $250, $300 for most trucks. Got different styles, shapes, and sizes for most of your Peterbilts, just about all of your Kenworths, and even a great deal of your Freightliners. So great coverage here from the folks at RealWheels.
What's nice about their line is they have the traditional style long accelerator and long brake pedal. As for your newer models, you have the long accelerator but the short brake pedal for like your T660s, T680s, 579, 389s, whereas these you have them for the 379s, W900s, and you get them in the black built aluminum and the polished built aluminum, which is really nice.
Yeah. Another great thing about RealWheels, I mean the styling, really nice with the stripes down here, the ground off diamond pattern, and then who doesn't like polished billet with the all shiny ones here. Come with a host of different logos. Great coverage there again for Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner, regardless almost of your model. They're going to have a set of pedals for you. Pretty economical, $250, $300, easy to put on. Just go to 4statetrucks.com. Up in the search bar, you can put RealWheels pedals and then your model number, 389, W900. It's going to bring them up that way, or just hit RealWheels pedals. You're going to see every RealWheels pedal set we got. If you like what you've seen here today, we hope it's been of value to you. Go ahead and hit subscribe. We're going to be doing this about every 2 or 3 weeks. A lot of little fun, educational snippets, and we'd love to have you take part in them. Tune in next time.